I'll reach my long-term goal for future my following powerful, effortless language training plan. I program my brain like a computer to receive really powerful results faster. I love regular training and practice. I be loyal to their system of regular daily training until I reach the level 1 I want. I resolve the work smarter, not harder. I resolve to control my feeling while focusing on the powerful. Positive goal. I alter wherever I make mistake. I understand that perfection is impossible, but I constantly improve. I constantly grow, learn, and raise my level. I'm always getting better, smarter, happier, and more skillful. This is the power of regular training. I love this training because I certainly acquire the English skill required for success.